like you're like this. Some people keep their leg like this to do squatting. No, it doesn't work. This is an effective squat. See, you put your leg together. See, when you squat, you put your leg together. This is not a jumping squat. This one help in building your legs. Put your leg together. There you go. You do it like 5. Then you go, turn to the back. Then you see, put your leg together. 3, 4, 5. So guys, this squatting is simple and hard. It works perfectly than you are jumping like this. No, you just stay like this. Number one secret squat that you don't know. You see, it helps to build your leg. Okay, thank you guys, and make sure you do like, subscribe. I'm giving you only one exercise that will change your life for good. Thank you guys, and God bless you. Make sure you do like, subscribe.